Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will discuss jQuery database jump to page. That's a very interesting thing. So there are a lot of pages in here. You see that 1 to 1000. If you like to go 100 long page, so how you will go? Next is quite impossible. Self press. You see that page 1 of 1000. Just click here. Then select your targeted page like 100. Just press 100. Your all kinds of information already have changed, guys. That's very interesting things. Also you can show 10 to 100 at a time. Like if you click over 25, you see that 25 information at a time show in your table, guys. That's very interesting things. Also you can search from here specifically, because there are a lot of student information in here, like student ID, student first name, last name, student email, and also gender. So how you will make this table? Now we discuss about that. For making this table, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website link, see my video description. When you click this download source code link, then you will see this interface. That's my website interface. Self scroll down, then see get source code and get a database. Must be you have to download from here source code and a database. Then if you scroll up, then see demo list. Okay, if you click here, then see there's a interface, there's a demo list. You see that 1 2 how many 48 demo in here. Okay guys, now I'm discuss about the last one, jQuery database jump to page. If you click view details, then see view details, and if you see view demo, then see view demo. Guys, that's interesting thing. So no more talk, let's go. Now we will make this table. Everybody know must be you have to go our PC, then C drive, then jam, then HTTP docs. Okay, now I am making table 52. You see that table 52, and now click in here, and that is 2 zip file, because first one is database and another things is source code. Okay, must be you have to extract in here, then see fetch, then index, and that is the database. Okay, now I'm open 3 codings. Okay guys, just wait a second. Okay, done. First things, the main fact is index. Okay, must be you have to change something from database. Okay, just first you should follow, or you should find out a database folder name. You see that database folder name code hunter underscore demo. Also on the table name, table 52. Okay, when you extract, and must be you have to change your database folder name and also table name from your local host PHP admin. So now okay, let's go. Now we will check our local host PHP admin. Guys, you see that there is the local host PHP admin, that is the code hunter demo. Now my folder name, and that's the table 52, that's for database. Okay, already I input in here, and now I can check my local host PHP admin code hunter demo, also table 52. Okay, that's a new tab. Guys, now I'm type localhost table 47. Now table 47, table 52. Now press enter. You see that my table already open in here. Now I will discuss about how to change your table title name like this. Okay, and also you can change student name, student first name. This line you can change also, no problem, very easily. How? Now I'm share with you. Just to go your index. Okay guys, now so go with index. You see that H1, that is the jQuery database jump to page. That's one. Okay, now I like to delete first one, jQuery database jump to page. That's a line I like to delete. Press delete, then press file, then save. Done. Now I'm go my table. Already my first line is here because I didn't reload. Now I'm reloading. guys, first line has gone. Okay, also you can change student ID, student first name, student last name. Just to go your index, you see that, scroll down, you see that student first name, student last name, student email, student gender. You can change from here. Like if you like to change, you're not a student, your customer first name or customer last name, customer email, customer gender, etc, etc, you can change, no problem. So guys, if you have any question about this table, please don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And also, if you like these types of video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget share with your friends. So guys, no more talk, let's go. Thank you very much.